What's up, guys? Welcome back to Amazing RC. It's your boy Brian, and as you can see, we've got our speedrun car here, but it's a little different than last time that you guys seen it. The wheels are just a bit smaller, and it has a body on it. I got a phone call from my new buddy Drake of the TRX4 fame. Headed back to SMH. Shout out to Denny. And he's like, hit me up Saturday, let's go. And I met him down there. Turns out since last weekend, Denny threw down an oval track. Now, it's a small oval track carpet, and I'll tell you, I was extremely surprised at the speeds that one can reach with the proper car and the proper skills. Marcus, my all-time rival, all-time grudge match, down there again, and he's got, I'll tell you, he builds some of the best equipment I've ever seen. And his skills, obviously top shelf. And you're going to see him out there really throwing an RC car around this track. I have not doctored the video. When you see it and it's actually running at regular speed, kudos to that driver, another new friend of mine. He was out there really laying down some killer laps with that slash, but you can see how fast Marcus is pulling this touring car. Had two different cars out there. You'll get to see in just a minute. Then you're going to see this. What I did was, because of course I'm running low on cars right now, and I only have this as far as my touring cars, so I had to completely re-engineer this car to get it to go on Denny's track as opposed to our speedrun car. So that's what we did. I got the wheels put back on it. We didn't have foams yet. Shout out to Isaiah for hooking me up with some foam wheels. We did a cool trade. I got him a transponder and he hooked me up with some foam wheels. I didn't have these at the time, so I had threw these rubber wheels, and they did okay. You gotta warm them up first, but they did fine. You'll see in a minute. They did kind of chatter, so when you hear the chatter. I really tried to get this body locked down as good as I could, but you're going to hear it chatter just a bit. Plus, the car is incredibly low. This had larger wheels on it, and it was already low, so it is very low now. It did well, and you're going to see towards the end, there's going to be quite a bit of POV where it's just me and Marcus out there in true grudge match fashion. We laid down some serious laps. You're going to see where you won't see Marcus for about 5 or 6 laps. And I'll make a mistake and he'll zoom right by. That means he was behind me for that bit of time, trying to get around. Then you'll see when he does get in front of me, it's everything I can take to keep him in frame. I mean, he is just incredibly fast and he can drive his car. It wasn't that he was slower than I was. He just didn't want to hit my car to get around me. So on a track that small, it took 5-6 laps for him to get around, but you'll see it towards the end because I got to give him the win. I have to. We weren't officially racing, but he dominated the whole time. The equivalent of a teabag at the end of the video. He gets a hold of my camera because it blows off my car. I mean, you see every time he's in front of me, I traction roll because I'm just trying to get a hold of that car, and this is not what he's out there driving. So enjoy, guys. Apologize for being long-winded. I had a lot of fun out there. Shout out to Drake for proving to me that this was my drive shaft. We dropped a drive shaft while we were in there, and he had to actually prove to me it was mine. I was all packed up. I'm like, it's not my drive shaft. Drake's like, dude, take this home. So shout out to Drake. This is my drive shaft. Guys, we're going to throw this back into speedrun status. We're going to throw this 33 on now, and we're going to see what we get. So, Brian, Amazing RC. Here's some really cool track action up at SMH. Appreciate you hanging out. We'll get you guys another really cool video very, very soon.